Welcome everybody. I am Kailan Ogan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Now we are discussing about joining process in the subject of ME 8351 Manufacturing Technology 1. Unit 2 Joining process. The content of joining process: operating principle and basic equipment, merits and application of fusion welding process like gas welding, types of flame and characteristics, manual metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding, submerged arc welding, electro slag welding, operating principle and applications of resistant welding, plasma arc welding, thermite welding, electron beam welding, friction welding and friction stir welding, brazing and soldering. Finally, weld defect types, case and cure. Introduction. The process of joining similar metal by the application of heat is called welding. It is the fabrication process that join material, usually metal or thermoplastic. Welding can be obtained with or without application of pressure and with or without additional of filler metal. During welding, the edges of this metal piece are either melted or rough to the plastic condition. The welding process is used for making permanent joints which are obtained by homogeneous mixture of two materials. The heat may be developed in several ways for welding operation. A good welding joint is as strong as a parent metal. The different applications of welding: structural joint of bridges and buildings, pipelines, aircraft framework, railway, furniture, automobile bodies, ship buildings. Classification of welding process. There are two main type of welding process which are classified according to the source of energy employed for heating the metal and the stage of metal at the place being welded. First one, fusion welding. In fusion welding, the metal at the joint is heated to a molten stage and then it is allowed to solidify. Then heat alone is used during welding. The process is called fusion welding. Pressure is not applied during the welding process and hence it is also called non-pressure welding. Filler material may be required during these types of welding. Second one, plastic welding. In pressure or plastic welding, the metal parts are heated to be plastic stage and they are pressed together to make the joint. Hence it is known as pressure welding. Here there is no filler metal is required. Examples: resistant welding, pressure welding and forged welding. Types of welding: fusion welding, plastic welding. Fusion welding, it means thermite welding, arc welding, gas welding. Gas welding is further classified oxyacetylene, oxyhydrogen. The arc welding is further classified submerged arc welding, plasma arc welding, atomic hydrogen arc welding, metal inert gas welding, metal arc welding, carbon arc welding, electro slag welding. In plastic welding, classified forge welding, friction welding, electric resistant welding, ultrasonic welding, explosive welding. In friction welding is further classified butt welding, spot welding, seam welding, projection welding and precision welding. These are the types of welding. Classification of welding process. The welding process can also be classified three types: autogeneous, homogeneous, heterogeneous. In autogeneous, the process is one in which no filler metal is added to the joint interface. For example, electric resistant welding. And homogeneous means the process is one which the filler metal is added and is of the same type of parent metal. Next, heterogeneous. The process is one which the filler metal is used, but it is of different types from parent metal. Example, brassing and soldering. Types of weld joints. Different types of weld joints are there. First one, butt joint, corner joint, lap joint, T-joint, edge joint. In butt joint, in this joint type, the part line in the same plane and are joined at their edge. Corner joint means the part in a corner joint from a right angle and are joined at the corner of the angle. Lap joint means lap joint type consists of two overlapping parts. T-joints, one part is perpendicular to the other in the approximate shape of the letter T. Edge joint, the part is an edge joint or parallel with at least one of their edge in common, and the joint is made at the common edge. For the shown in the diagrams. Gas welding, oxyacetylene welding. Gas welding is one type of welding process in which the edge of metal to be welded or melted by using a gas flame. No pressure is applied during welding process. The flame is produced at the tip of the welding torch. The welding heat is obtained by burning a mixture of oxygen and computable gas. The gases are mixed at the required proportion in a welding torch, which provide a control for the welding flame. The gases commonly employed for gas welding are acetylene, hydrogen. The flame only metal the flame only melt the metal. So the additional metal required to the weld is supplied by the filler rod. A flux is required during welding to prevent oxidation and remove impurities. Metal having 2 mm to 50 mm thickness are welded by gas welding. In oxyacetylene welding, shown in the diagram, it is the most common form of gas welding is oxyacetylene welding. It is commonly used to permanently joined mild steel structure. The combination of oxygen and acetylene produce a flame temperature about 3200 degrees centigrade, making it ideal for welding and cutting. And flame characteristics. It is very important to adjust the flame to suitable welding condition. It is done by regulating the supply of oxygen and acetylene by varying the ratio of oxygen and acetylene. For following three types of flame can be obtained. First one, neutral flame, carburizing flame, oxidizing flame. In neutral flame is obtained by supplying equal quantity of oxygen and acetylene. Neutral flame has two zones, that means one sharp bright inner cone and one bluish outer cone, like shown in the figure. In inner cone develop heat to melt the metal. The maximum temperature of neutral flame is obtained at the inner cone, which is about 3200 degree centigrade. A neutral flame is mostly used for welding of mild steel, cast iron, aluminum, stainless steel and copper. Oxidizing flame. In oxidizing flame is obtained by supplying more oxygen than acetylene. It is similar to neutral flame, except the inner white cone is somewhat small, giving a rise to higher tip temperature 3300 degrees centigrade. This flame has two zones such as smaller inner cone and outer cone. An oxidizing flame is used for copper based metal, zinc based metal, ferrous metals such as manganese steel and cast iron. Carburizing flame. A carburizing flame is also called reducing flame, which is obtained by supplying more acetylene than oxygen. This flame has three zones: sharp inner cone, white intermediate cone called feather cone, like that diagram, and bluish outer cone. The length of the intermediate cone is an indication of proportion of excess acetylene in the flame. The temperature of reducing flame is less, so it is more suitable for application requiring low heating such as brazing and flame hardening. This flame is generally used for non-ferrous metal and high carbon steel. Okay, student, thank you for all of you.